Good morning, everyone. Okay, you have given your OIR test.
Yes, sir.
How was it?
Good, sir.
Okay. So now let's talk about the second phase. Second phase of the screening test. In this test, you will have to go through a test called PP and DT, Picture Perception and Discussion Test. In this part, I will show you a picture for 30 seconds. It will be a blurry picture, a hazy picture, because it is a test of your perception. Then I will give you 1 minute to fill that box and write the action of the story. And then after, I will give you 4 minutes to write a story based on the picture shown to you. After this, I will divide you into 2 groups of 10-10 each. Then one by one, chess number wise, you will be sitting in a semicircle. After that, one by one, you will have to narrate your story. Whatever story you have written, you just have to narrate that story. As soon as the last person will complete his or her narration, all of you will have to perform a group discussion. In that group discussion, you will have to come to a common story. So whenever you write a story, it is a test of your mansa. Whenever you start to narrate your story, it is a test of your vacha. When you perform a group discussion, जहाँ पे सबकी story अलग-अलग है because a blurry picture was shown to you, it is a test of your karmana because a common objective has been given to you that you have to come to a common story. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We fill that box and write the action of the story. Stop writing, pens down. Collect your PP and DT sheets. Okay, welcome all of you again for the next round. Hope all of you have written a very interesting stories. Now in this round you have to do a narration and the group discussion. In the narration part, always keep in mind that you have to keep sitting on your position. Maintain proper eye contact with the group members. You have to maintain proper body posture. And one more thing, that it is a narration of your own written story. The story that you have written by yourself. So narrate it like a story itself. सीधे लेक्चर आपको नहीं देना है, इट इज़ अ स्टोरी. तो कहाँ पे कॉमा आ रहा है, कहाँ फुल स्टॉप आ रहा है, कहाँ एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क है. यूज द वॉइस डायनामिज्म प्रॉपरली. फॉर द सेकेंड नाउ दैट इज अ GD, ग्रुप डिस्कशन. इट इज़ अ डिस्कशन, नॉट अ डिबेट. एंड यू हैव टू कम टू अ कॉमन स्टोरी. सो डिस्कशन में बोलने से ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप दूसरे के पॉइंट को सुनो. सो ऑलवेज कीप द प्रॉपर बैलेंस बिटवीन द स्पीकिंग एज वेल एज द लिसनिंग इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन पार्ट. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
As soon as the last person will complete his narration, the GD will start automatically. I will not ask you to start the GD. And when I ask you to stop the GD, I will just ring this bell. Like this. As soon as I ring this bell, you will have to stop your GD. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, start your narration.
I perceived from this picture that a person is standing on the bridge and is looking backward to see his friend. His mood is positive and his friend's mood is negative.
Hello friends, from the story I perceived that Rahul and their 3 friends, they all study in a college in Delhi. one day they all decided to visit a Sariska near the village of Rahul. They all go to the village of Rahul and borrow some cycle, 4 cycles from his village. They will go to visit the Sariska. But as Rahul was at the front side of all of them, and he stops them at a bridge over the brook and symbolized to stop all of them.
Friends, I saw 4 characters aged between 15 to 20 and all are in positive mood. Vidar is a college going student of age 18 years and he along with his friends decided to to go for a picnic. Then there they saw a man falling from a waterfall. They were enjoying and saw a man falling from a waterfall, and then Vidar went to man and when he was and saw that he was badly injured, he along with his friends.
Morning everyone. I saw 4 characters in my story and my main character is Suresh Yadav. Suresh Yadav was a 20-year-old college student and he along with his friend was going home after the college was over.
My friends, I see 4 characters in the story, aged between 13 to 15 years. Arjun is a school-going boy who is going to school with his friends on a bicycle. While going one day, his friend fell down and he was riding really fast. So he fell down and seeing this, he and his friends immediately went to him. They took him to the hospital. First they gave him the first aid, then they took him to the hospital and then they informed his parents about it.
Good morning, gentlemen. I've perceived multiple characters from the picture shown to us. The main character of my story is Ramandeep. Ramandeep once noticed a Red Cross bus standing on the way to his college. He observed that the Indian youngsters who are donating blood is very less. So he persuaded the idea of organizing a cyclic marathon in the college and the school itself, whereby a lot of youngsters and oldish people will gather around and will be briefed about donating blood. He, after that, put down the notice on the notice board of his college and some school and the society.
Morning gentlemen, I have seen 4 characters in the story. 3 of them are students and 1 of them is like teaching them. So the action of my story is motivation for the competition, and Pradeep is 22-year-old boy who is being recently selected in SSB, recommended by SSB Bangalore.
Good morning gentlemen. What I saw in the story is Viresh Sharma, a newly appointed sports educator in the GIC Ratera Manpuri. On the first day of his joining, he found that kids of the village are not interested in professional sports.
Gentlemen, I perceive 4 characters. All are males in positive mood. Age around 22 to 24. Abhishek was a booth level officer in Panna district in Chandwali block. As the upcoming election organized by the State Election Board Election Commission, he has given the responsibility to spread awareness in the village about electoral practices. He go every service area, every corner of his service area. He took various means of transport as there was a lack of connectivity, so he also opted for bicycles and other modes of transport. He distributed pamphlets, organized events and other various methods to increase the turnout of the election voter turnout. After his efforts, he able to increase the voter turnout and the percentage increased around 10%. He is happy at his effort. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, as I perceived in the figure, there is a 4 characters and the 4 characters are the college student and they are all in the positive mood and the age around 20 to 22 years old.
So gentlemen, all of us
So we think that we should continue with that, and one of them is leading the other 3 characters. Yes, I agree. Just number 54 continue, then we'll listen to all the members.
Thank you, Chess number 77. So I feel it's a village area, so marathon won't be a logical thing. I feel these are school students that are going to school. Like we all see in the village area, they go to school from the near. So I feel, let's go with that story. There are four students who are going to school from the village, who are going to school, and one of his friends had fell down. They give him the first aid, and if you want to.
There are four characters. The scene is of village. I totally agree with that. But the first aid.
We need
that they are going for school. Okay.
Let's discuss about it first. Generally, four people are there going to school with.
What is the age? Because we are commonly
We all agree that they are teenagers and they all are in positive mood.
village area. So they are taking the back to village
Roads are not proper, and so they are making this.
So it can be
the number of characters and their background, and as Thomas said that we are going to the awareness story. And I think adding a cause to the story should be also a main important point, because without a cause, awareness should not go.
we can take the whole of the people as they have told us about the road safety and road construction. They have taken funds from the villagers. They have, for the timing, they have maintained the road, and for the future prospect, they have taken it to the municipal corporation by the help of the sarpanch.
Number 87, you were adding a point.
I want to add that it can be a forest awareness program or a
Gentlemen, if it's a village, then there will be no municipal corporation. We have to keep
Yes,
this in mind.
Small offices of government that has.
After the road condition they have seen, they will go to the sarpanch.
Yes.
Why about no one takes this interest?
I think discussion and then going to a higher authority with the sarpanch will be a better option.
Yeah, exactly.
So let's jump to a common story. There are four students who saw the roads are not proper. They went to the sarpanch.
Let's hear from chest number 30. What you?
Not just youngsters and boys who see the road, there are other people in the village who will see that the road is not good. And if boys and college boys will go to the sarpanch, he not listen to them and not take them seriously.
Chest number 30 that if the age group which we have seen were of teenagers, and if the problem is serious, then obviously sarpanch or any authority.
I would like to add a point to chess number 30. We can include chess number 54's point that they can take help of the teacher.
That will be a very good option because
We have decided that we won't be taking the issue of
But they will
But
vote
they
for
will
the
vote with the parents.
college teachers also they can take
Stop here, GD. Looks like you've come to a common story. Nominate one member among yourself who will get up and tell me the common story of the group.
So gentlemen, I think
77, I think chess number 77.
So gentlemen, after this healthy discussion, I can conclude that there are four members in the picture. age group of teenage, like from 15 to 17, and they were going somewhere, and while going they saw the road condition was not good. Then they complained this to their school, and then by taking the help of teachers and principal, they complained this to the authority or the sarpanch, and got the road maintained, and which saved not only the roads for students but also for the villagers. Thank you.
Okay, good. This concludes the procedure of your screening test.